let's discuss why exactly Germany is calling everybody. Why everybody is asking, like, yes, we should go and settle in Germany. The first important reason is like Germany has shortage of skilled professional, right? So by 2030, they need around 3 to 5 lakh skilled people every year they have to recruit. The reason behind that is they have more of aged population, that is like most of the people who are already working over there or who are citizens over there, they are growing old, right? So they need youth over there. So that's the reason. And as per the survey, uh, the highest salary, if they have, according to the recent survey, Indians are the ones who are taking highest salary in Germany as compared to other people from other countries. So that's again one reason why Germany is an attractive destination for people from India to go and settle down over there. Now another thing is there, like they are trying to the Germany is like a lot of paperwork was there. So they are trying to reduce this paperwork also. So for this, what they have done, previously they used to allow parents to go and study, stay over there for maybe 3 months, 6 months, like this, they used to give visa. Now, instead of like giving this hassle or difficulty for the old parents to keep going and asking for visa to go and stay back along with their children, now they give visa for either 3 years or 5 years at a stint, so that parents can stay with their children for longer duration. And because of this drawback that parents were not allowed to stay with them for a longer duration, young youth after working for some time in Germany were trying to search trying to shift to other countries. So this will promote, or this will motivate them to stay in Germany itself, because the salaries are also high, as well as they will get the chance to stay, like no, make their parents also stay along with them. And getting a blue card as well as the citizenship in Germany is very easy. Now Germany is also allowing the dual citizenship, although India is not allowing dual citizenship. But yes, from other countries, if student people are there or students are there, they can apply for dual citizenship also, because if they don't want to leave their own country's citizenship, Germany is accepting this also, that along with their own country's citizenship, they can accept the German citizenship also. So we'll come back again with some more news about Germany. So if you want to prepare for test years to study in Germany, contact Edisha Edu Support. We'll keep giving you some new tips, some new information about Germany, which why Germany is attractive and why you should go and study there. Because of course, study over there is very cheap as compared to other countries. No, the cost of living is also less because you can earn over there. Along with that, the educational, the fees of education is comparatively lower over there. So that's the reason it's very attractive destination. Yes, the problem is test AS, which you don't get trainers, but Edisha Edu Support is there to help you to prepare for your test AS in core as well as all the subject specific modules.